It's blue.
That's not racing oil. That's antifreeze. Did you put the drain plug back in? Nope.
So I just got something really fun in the mail. As you can see, it's a bunch of 3M wrap behind me. But it's a ton of decals. And it's bigger than me for the Crown Rally. Woo! So I'm tagging along in the rally from Scottsdale to Vegas, and I'm working with Gtechniq, and I'm going to be taking lots of content of them detailing the cars here in Scottsdale, and I'm going to tag along on the rally all the way to Vegas. And I think I'm one of like the only cars that like aren't technically a supercar. I don't know. I'm just very blessed to own a Camaro and be able to go on a rally like this. So thank you, Gtechniq, for this opportunity. And I got Sam to slave away with me on these decals. And I think the game plan is we're just gonna cut each one out and then tape them on the car where we're gonna place them, and then slowly and steady go around and apply them around the Camaro. And I also have a windshield banner that says Crown Rally on it. So the Camaro is slightly dusty. I don't think we're gonna wash it, we're just gonna wipe it off, right?
Yep.
It's not that dirty. But this car is gonna look like a race car now with all these decals. So it's completely blank right now. We're gonna wipe it off with some detail spray and figure out where these decals go, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. I've never put this many stickers on my Camaro before.
I'm a professional taper.
All right, they're all cut out. Each one has a blue tape. Now we can figure out where we want them on the Camaro to try to make it look different and pretty. All right, so I was having trouble with these vinyl stickers all night long, and it's because my car is coated in Expel Fusion. This is a ceramic coating that the public cannot get their hands on. But since my car is ceramic coated, these vinyl stickers are not sticking whatsoever. So it will definitely be a test to see once I drive the car on the road if all these stickers will fly off. It's been taking me hours and hours just getting these stickers on alone because these stickers will move around my paint like they're a magnet. So I figured out a tactic. If I leave this backing sheet on the car with the sticker, because as soon as I pull this backing sheet, it kind of warps the stickers just because it's not sticking to the car at all. But if I leave this on for at least 30 minutes to an hour, then come back, my life is slightly easier applying these. But I just ever so slightly have to move this transfer paper backwards and press it with my hand every single time and try not to warp what the sticker looks like. We started off over here on this one, and that's the reason that one is all wrinkled and messed up, because it's just hard. And if you guys have a ceramic coated car and try to take it to a shop, they will literally tell you to take off your ceramic coating, or that's literally the only option. You do not apply vinyl stickers on top of ceramic coating. So I guess this will be a great marketing vehicle for Gtechniq on this run, because it shows that ceramic coatings actually do their job. And if the vinyls can't stick, dirt can't stick, nothing sticks. I'm just slowly going around the car, letter by letter, and eventually we will look like a race car. I did get a couple of my other sponsor stickers. I got Detroit Speed and KW on the car as well. I had to rep my favorite companies. So they sent me the files for that, and I got it printed. I got them printed at EA in Scottsdale, so thanks guys for helping me out getting these printed last minute. But everyone's gonna be meeting up at Gainey Ranch in Scottsdale, and I think this is gonna be one of the only non-supercars there, which will be really funny to see the Camaro with all these people that are, you know, OEM worth a lot more than a Camaro. But I'm very blessed with this opportunity, and I'm excited to see everyone detail the cars out there and video it all. I'm going to do an oil change on this car so it is fresh and ready for the track at Spring Mountain outside of Las Vegas. I have not ran this car in Spring Mountain, so I'm excited to check it out. It is 50 miles west of Las Vegas, so it's relatively close to Vegas and Arizona. Oh, much better.
I know, I was waiting for it to help you. You want any help? Nice light. Where'd you get that one?
Should I put jack stands or just go for it?
Oh, go for it. If it falls on you, I'll pick up the Camaro. Safety.
Good enough. Definitely not the right size. I think it might be a 15. Why is this on so much? Do I kick it again?
Kick what?
The bolt.
Oh, this is a little bit bigger. Here.
Oh,
Get it?
yeah.
So there's this new thing that you can buy, and they're like $5. They're called breaker bars.
I can't fit the breaker bar because this is such a small area unless I lift the car up.
No, you put the breaker bar over top of the socket, and you have a longer thing to.
Yeah, but it doesn't work because I have like literally 4 more inches of workspace.
4 inches is a lot.
Moment of truth. Oh god, that's hot. Oh, can you grab me the micro? Oh my god, can you grab me the microfiber? Thank you. Oh, you can't even hold that metal any longer. That metal plug. This is my little gold plug magnet. Maybe I'm tripping, but I don't remember seeing silver last time. It probably just has a lot of abuse, to be honest. God, this gold plug is so hot. I literally can't even hold it. I forget in the summer everything stays like ridiculously hot.
Mainly the ground.
But even this bolt, I usually like drive my car around for like an hour and then take it off and it's not this hot. The next hardest part is the oil filter. Yay, it's coming loose.
Oil filter.
Alright, I'm using the Valvoline 10W30 VR1 synthetic racing oil because last time I got shit that I didn't use synthetic, which I was told not to, but now we are.
If I make some distilled water with it, it'll be good.
It's blue.
That's not racing oil. That's antifreeze.
No, it's not. Is it supposed to be blue?
I don't know.
I've never seen blue oil before. Is it fine? Synthetic racing oil, VR110W30 motor oil. Is it fine?
No, they accidentally put antifreeze in the bottle. I know they had a recall on that.
No, like it actually smells sweet. It smells like Kool-Aid. Like tell me why it smells like Kool-Aid.
That's oil.
It is?
That's oil, love.
I've never seen blue oil. Is that normal for it to be blue? Oh my god. Okay. I'm putting it in the oil spot.
Did you put the drain plug back in? Nope.
Is it leaking?
No. Did you put the plug back in?
Yes, I put it back in.
I don't know.
What is that sound?
That wouldn't be the first time you've done something stupid with your car. Like, what is the oil?
Sam,
for?
did you hear it though?
Yeah, I thought it was.
I swear I thought it was.
I thought it was coming out.
That's how I was convinced, is because I heard it. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared to start it.
Once it goes, boom.
Like, no joke, like, I bought these off of Amazon. Like, somebody could easily just, like, sell coolant to be funny.
Yeah, and get sued.
That's true, we would have a fun lawsuit with that one.
Hi, Texas Speed.
What does this one say, 10 to be 30?
10 to 40. How many do you need to do, Kayla?
10 quarts.
What? No way.
Do you know how big this motor is?
Yeah, it's a 5.7 liter Hemi.
Way bigger than a 5.7.
It's a 6.6 diesel. Duramax.
No, Sam, we use 8 quarts. And when I did my
Is
last...
that one for each cylinder?
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Thanks.
That's
why I only put 6.
Last time I put 8 in my car, everyone was screaming at me, this car doesn't take 8, this car doesn't take 8, it takes 6. And I like freaked myself out. I was like, oh my god, I've been putting 2 quarts of oil more like for the past 5 years. And I looked it up and I was right, it's still 8. So I don't know.
Look up a fucking 6-cylinder. 1, 2,
4,
3,
6,
4,
7.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10.
Yep. We're on the 10th one.
Put some antifreeze in there, that way it keeps the oil cooler longer.
Doesn't that turn it into like a milkshake?
the YouTube's gonna be like, what do you guys actually do with your oil?
I just told them we recycle. Little oil breather cap.
That's a really nice cap. Why is it so nice?
It's aftermarket. What do you mean?
It's not even a real breather.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Why do you think I removed this part? Why does this piece go nowhere? Because that works.
Oh.
I'm closing it. Watch out. Also, have you noticed how much longer my travel is on those coilovers than my other ones?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Consistency.
That's the first thing I noticed. I'm like, why am I jacking this up so high and the wheels haven't come off the ground?
Now we go to bed.
Say goodnight. See you in the morning.
No.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the late night hustle there, trying to get the Camaro ready for the rally. We had to be at the rally midday the next day, so I wanted to get it all done in the nighttime because as I've stated in the past, I've ran into issues with the oil change in the past. But I got the vinyl stickers all done on the Camaro. You know, a few of them are probably gonna fly off if they didn't already stick, but she looks pretty good. You guys will be seeing a ton more of the Camaro on the rally in the next couple videos. I'm gonna make a video on the track and a video of the whole rally, of course. But the car looks so different with the vinyl stickers. I don't really know how I feel about it. I'll probably take it off in a couple weeks once this is all over. But it's a fun experience, and Thank you, Crown Rally and Gtechniq, for supplying the vinyl for me. I appreciate it so much. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out in my garage with me while I just work on my car. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.